Did you know? According to the principle of quantum indistinguishability, every human being in the universe might actually be a different version of the same person. Deep in the quantum realm, scientists have uncovered a disturbing truth. All humans across the cosmos may just be countless projections of one single existence. The principle of quantum indistinguishability says that all fundamental particles are exactly identical. They have no serial numbers, no identity, no defining traits. There's no way to tell one from another, which means the particles that make up your body might be no different at all from those in a stranger's. They're just arranged differently in different places, creating different appearances. Imagine the entire universe as a vast, boundless mirror, and each you is simply a different reflection of the same quantum field. It sounds unbelievable, but science is slowly closing in on this reality. In 2023, an experiment at Yale University showed that when two electrons are swapped, the state of the system remains completely unchanged. No trace, no disruption, as if the exchange never even happened. And this isn't just true for electrons. It applies to every fundamental particle that makes up a human being. It suggests that we may not be separate individuals, but rather parts of a deeper underlying order. Quantum entanglement takes this idea even further. Two particles, even on opposite ends of the universe, can instantly sense each other's changes. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. At first, he refused to believe it could be real, but quantum mechanics has proven again and again it's not an illusion. If both quantum indistinguishability and entanglement are true, then the universe we live in may not be the universe we think we understand. It's not made of isolated individuals, but of countless interconnected, repeating nodes of consciousness. You think you are you, but what if you are also someone else? What if each of us is just a projection of a higher dimensional existence, cast into a lower dimensional space-time, like a two-dimensional shadow that can't grasp the three-dimensional world? Our awareness may never break past the quantum boundary, but still, we feel no connection. Maybe it's because our consciousness is trapped within a narrow field of view. Or maybe in the macroscopic world, those microscopic resonances have already fallen silent. This isn't just philosophical fantasy. Scientists are now trying to use the principle of indistinguishable particles to build the next generation of quantum computing systems. These systems don't need identification or individualization. All they need is for particles to reconstruct information according to fixed rules. In the distant future, this could even lead to a new form of communication, one that doesn't rely on signals or cables, but travels through space and time, tapping into an unexplainable resonance between us. But the most mind-blowing part isn't the technology. It's how we're being forced to redefine what it means to exist. When you look at yourself in the mirror, are you really sure that's you? When you walk past countless strangers in a crowd, can you truly say they're not just different expressions of your own essence? In a quantum world, there is no identity, only state. No names, only probabilities. You're not one. You are one version of many. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, those distant points of light might just be echoes of yourself, scattered across the depths of the universe. And all of this might just be the universe writing you a poem in the language of quantum.